So here with the Fab-Defense rail here that you just slide your Glock right up into. It's designed for the 17 and 19 and the 34. This is the 34 here. The fellow was just telling me it doesn't quite fit the hand protector up here, so that's something that they're modifying before release. It comes with this folding grip with the trigger safety here, which is a quick release and fold out. Also folding stock and an AR style charging handle. There's also another one with the side charging handle. This turns your Glock into an awesome carbine. The weight is amazing, and
it's all aluminum.
The feel is incredible. It is very lightweight. It is aluminum, and you got some nice rail space here built right into it for your lights and crap. And I guess you could replace this if you wanted to, but I don't see any reason to do that. It's a really nice grip, designed for it and everything.
You can adjust the height of the stock. If I open this one, stock can be adjusted.
Oh wow.
Okay. Watch here. Those rails are one piece. All the three rails are one solid piece. The installation is very quick and easy to do. I do that, I open here and just pull the gun down and out we go. That's it.
No modification to the gun whatsoever.
Nothing. There's nothing to do. Just put the gun inside.
And your charging handle reaches up here to the front and grabs onto the front of the slide.
Now that piece is adjustable. You can move it. The piece here, you can turn it or move it to the other bolt, so you can put shorter slides.
Okay.
Will it work with the suppressor?
Yes.
Excellent.
Work with the suppressor. Easily work with the suppressor.
And these will be available sometime this year?
It will be available in about 2 months. They'll be on the market.
In about 2 months.
Yes.
Excellent. Thank you.
I lock it. Again. Put that thing in its place. That's it. Ready.
It feels great in the hand.
That's what she said.
Thanks for watching.
The guys and gals of GunWebsites.com encourage you to take a CCW class every year, practice at least once a month, and carry every day. Thanks for watching GunWebsites.com.